Excuse me, anak. Excuse me, anak ko.
Once again, let's give her a round of applause.
You laugh at me when I tumble down. You took my cookies and so I have none. You got my room and now it's gone. I almost cried and I felt so sad. Jesus spoke to me and said, "Forgive my child, for it is the best." And so I did. And now we're friends, and we'll be friends together again and again. Thank you.